one of the biggest things I see is because of all this like repetitive stress from living our lives is the waistline is super tight on a lot of us. So the side bend stretching is really important. I'm sitting crisscross applesauce here. You could sit with your legs out in a V or straight ahead, whatever you feel more comfortable with. But the side bend stretch is just going to be up and over, and then up and over. Okay, you can add on here, both arms up and over. See how I can't go as far? And then up and over. Now we could also do this on the knees. It's a very simple exercise. You're just on the knees here, arms up, right? You can bring one arm over, side bending, or we call this lateral flexion. Other arm up and over. Okay, so you're really stretching the waistline, letting the rib cage do its job of rotating, okay, and twisting. We always want to twist from the rib cage. The lower back is for forward fold and up, okay? But the rib cage, the thoracic spine, right here where we were hanging on to practicing our breathing, is where we want to twist and side bend, okay? So again, we could do it single arm side bend or both arms up, side bend. All right, this is a little more challenging. Sometimes if you're super tight and you have any pain with that, I often will say to people, okay, well, let's do like the windmill. So you just give a little bit of momentum, like this, side bend. And again, just remember, when you're like at the desk or driving the car, whatever, you never want to twist from low back. You always want to twist or rotate from the thoracic. And your lower back is really more for forward fold. Okay, great job.